If you've ever cooked with turmeric powder, you probably had some yellow hands afterwards, along with some very delicious food. Who would have thought that the spice that stains pretty much anything can brighten and whiten yellow teeth? It is not clear why this amazing fact is true. Many people do swear by this tactic. Turmeric is also effective for dental issues such as toothaches, gingivitis, and sensitive teeth. Turmeric kills germs, fights infections, and reduces swelling and pain. Turmeric has been used as a medicine because of a chemical contained within it called curcumin. To whiten teeth, turmeric is mixed with baking soda and coconut oil. Baking soda is effective for cleaning pretty much anything. Scientists know baking soda as sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda removes stains and plaque from your teeth by removing acids that are made by the bacteria in your mouth. Plaque can cause dental problems such as tooth decay and gum disease. Coconut oil is another wondrous ingredient that can draw out bacteria from your mouth and can treat toothaches, bad breath, tooth sensitivity, and gum disease. People call this activity oil pulling because rinsing your mouth with coconut oil will pull out those germs, but it also helps to whiten your teeth. Things you will need: turmeric powder, baking soda, coconut oil, a bowl, a mixing spoon, measuring spoons, a jar or container for storing the mixture. Steps: measure 4 tablespoons of dried organic turmeric root powder into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil. Mix thoroughly with a spoon or fork. How to use: spread 2 teaspoons of your turmeric teeth whitener on your toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Swish 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil in your mouth for another minute, then spit it out. Do not swallow, as this mixture contains all the germs in your mouth. Rinse your mouth with water. Repeat several times a week for a couple of weeks, then reduce the frequency to once or twice a week. Please note that this mixture may stain the skin around your mouth. Therefore, use care when brushing your teeth. To remove any yellow turmeric stains from your skin, apply milk to the area for about 5 minutes and then wash off. Tips: store the remaining mixture in the refrigerator for a few days. If you would rather make a smaller amount, ensure that you reduce all ingredients proportionately. This mixture is likely to stain your toothbrush bright orange. Keep a separate soft to medium bristled toothbrush for this whitener alone. Besides using this mixture, be sure to take care of your oral health. Use this method along with oil pulling with coconut oil to remove all germs from your mouth. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.